Hi, this is Chris Graffinino for yozeeka.com. The purpose of this video is to show musicians, songwriters, and artists how to start a blog using the WordPress platform. Now, why do you need a blog? The answer is you're not really starting a blog. Rather, you're building a website using a platform that is far more powerful than MySpace, Facebook, or Tumblr, yet much easier to use and much less expensive than if you paid someone to build a website for you from scratch. At the end of the day, what this gives you is the ability to get out of the old music business and into the content business. Now, that's a topic for another conversation altogether. But for now, let me show you how easy it is to start a blog. This is my blog, yozeeka.com. One of the great things about the WordPress platform is that it gives you complete control over, among other things, advertisements. So in this case, every time someone clicks the ad, I would get a commission. This is as opposed to Facebook or MySpace getting the commission. Now, I do recommend Bluehost. It's who I use. I like them, but you can use whoever you want. There's tons of hosting sites out there. Now, the first thing you'll want to do is click the green Sign Up Now button. That will take you to the next page, at which point you will need to choose a domain name. I'll choose extramusicianincome.com. All right, it's available. So I'll enter my name here. All right. I'll choose the 12-month price. Don't need any of this extra stuff. If you want your website to be completely private, you can pay an extra $10 a year. That way no one can look up your address, where you live. I usually don't do it. Billing information. Create your password. And here we are to the login screen. So we log back in. Okay, this is our control panel. So there's all kinds of tools here. The one we're looking for is, scroll down to software services. You'll see this WordPress icon. That's the one we want. And here we just click install, brand new installation. Okay, perfect. License agreement complete. All right, installation is complete. Now, just so you know, to get to your WordPress login, not the Bluehost login, because that's your host, but to actually get to the site where you can update your content, it will always be your website /WP-admin. That's the one you want. And you'll notice they've given you a password. We'll take that. Admin. password. So now we're on the main page of your WordPress. They call it the dashboard. So the first thing we need to do is go up and to admin. We're going to change your password first. So you scroll all the way down and just type in a new password. Update. And then the next thing we're going to do, we're going to change the theme. The themes are the templates that, basically like all the different variations of how the site could look without having to go in and personally change the code. If you Google WordPress themes, you'll see that there's a million of them out there. WordPress is kind enough to list a lot of the free ones here. If you're interested in upgrading right away, two of them that I would recommend are iThemes Foundation or Theme Forest Fast Blog. They're both really great. You'll get a lot of mileage out of them. Now, the default here is 2010. Let's just go with a different one for now. So how you change the theme, you go to Install Themes. And then you can search. The one I used on yozeeka is called Elegant Grunge. So we'll search for that one. There it is. We install. Install now. Okay. So now we activate it. So let's go back to the dashboard. The next thing we need to do, let's change the title. So go down to settings here at the bottom. Extra musician income. And you can add a tagline if you want. Just save that. All right, easy enough. The next thing we want to do is post. So we'll go to posts. And hello world, that's just the default example. So we'll just trash that. And then go up to here, add new post. And we'll call it first blog post. And let's insert a picture. So I happen to have a picture ready to go. Okay, there it is. You might recognize it. Down here, alignment. You can choose how you want it to look. We'll just leave it on the left and we'll leave it a thumbnail. When you have it how you like it, just click Insert into Post. There it is. And then we'll say, I enjoyed making this blog. And then publish. And there it is. I hope you've enjoyed yourself. Stay tuned for future episodes when we learn how to take this simple blog and turn it into a proper musician website. I'm Chris Graffinino for yozeeka.com. Catch you later.